Hi, second grade. Me and Barry say hello. We miss you guys. We're having a lot of fun, but we wish you guys were here with us. I wanted to send out 2 videos for Wednesday, one a reading video and one math. So this video is for reading, and I wanted to talk about 2 different things. So first is prefixes. Now on Monday, you guys did a worksheet talking about the prefixes dis, un, and re. Okay, so a prefix is a couple letters that you put before a word that changes the whole meaning of a word. Okay, you put, I'm going to say that again. It's only a few letters or a couple letters that you put before a word that changes the whole meaning of the word. So for example, if you guys look in your spelling list, almost all of the words that I put on my list are from your spelling list, okay? So if we look at the prefix un, okay, it's un, 2 letters. If you put them before a word like unhappy, that means not happy. If you're unhappy, you might have a frown on your face, okay? I'm unhappy that I can't be with you guys, okay? That's not happy. So when you use the prefix un, that means not, always, 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 okay? Or for example, undo. If I tell you that problem is wrong, go ahead and undo it. Undo what you did. You're gonna not do it. So you're gonna take back what you did, okay? You're gonna not do that in the problem. Or you had the word unlike. If I'm unlike you, then we are not alike, okay? Or if you are unlike your brother, you're not like your brother, okay? Another prefix or another few letters that we put before a word to change what the word means is dis. Now, dis can also mean not. It usually means not, or it means the opposite of something. So, for example, the word disagree. If I disagree with you, I do not agree with you. I think the opposite of you. Or if somebody is oops, I don't know if you can see with the lighting, sorry, dishonest. If somebody is dishonest, they are the opposite of honest. Honest means you tell the truth, so the opposite of that would mean they do not tell the truth, they lie. Then the last prefix I want to talk about is re, okay? Re. Whenever we put the prefix re in front of something, it means again. So if I tell you to rewrite your homework, yeah, that was on your spelling list, right? If I tell you to go rewrite your writing assignment, I'm telling you to write it again. Or if I tell you to return your homework, I'm telling you to turn it in again. So you gave it to me, and I gave it back. I returned it to you. Or redo. If I tell you to go redo your homework, I'm telling you to do it again. Okay, so these are 3 prefixes or 3 little, groups of letters that you can put in front of a word to change the entire meaning, okay? They're kind of like little magicians. The second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was on your reading sheet for today, page 171. I wanted to talk to you guys about contractions. Now, we talked about contractions. I don't know if you guys remember the video, N apostrophe T. Do you remember that? So that was one of our contractions. So if we look, this is a good tool you guys can use. If you guys are bored at home and you want to practice some contractions, this might be a good thing. You guys can make it super easy to make, but you put both of the words and then you put the answer on the inside. So for we are, you open it up, it's the real word we're, okay? It's the contraction we're. So if you look closely, the apostrophe goes in between the 2 words, and the apostrophe goes where you took out a letter. So this is the 2 words we are, but I took out the A. So instead of an A, you're gonna put the apostrophe, okay? So we're, or for here, it's they are. You guys can probably say it. If you know it, say it at home. It's there, okay? Or let's look at this one. This is isn't. What 2 words do I scrunch together to get isn't? Is not, okay? So this is something you guys can do at home. I use the ones that are on your sheet for page 171. So for example, I'm gonna use the first example, is not. You're supposed to write the contraction that those 2 words make. So is and not. Instead of me saying, my favorite food is not spaghetti, I could say my favorite food isn't spaghetti. I squish those 2 words together. So make sure I gave you the first one right there, is not, squished together, makes isn't, the contraction isn't. Make sure you put the apostrophe in the correct place, okay? Second grade, I'm excited to see you soon. I hope we see each other soon. I'm praying for every single one of you. I hope you're having a wonderful time with your family, and my math video, I hope you also are going to watch it, or maybe you already watched it. If you have questions about any of this, let me know. Bye, guys.